Hello friends, a warm welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your friend Truly Shoham. I'll do away with the mandatory introduction today and I will not ask how are you all doing today because I know it will be criminal for me to ask as a fellow citizen how are we all doing today. What I want to do is I just want to vent my angst, hatred and shame at the ruling dispensation of this country and hoping to get answers to the questions which I want to ask today via this platform. I hope that you all will agree to me once I end this video. So without wasting a further minute, let us cut straight away to the chase. So what exactly are we discussing today? Do we even have a central government in place? Do we have a PM who cares than the PM Cares Fund? Do we? Definitely we do. Who says we don't? We have got the world's largest, the biggest political party at the helm of affairs. We have got the world's strongest so-called political leader, the Vishwa Guru of all the gurus, as our Prime Minister. Definitely he does care. Who says they don't care? Look at around us. The Prime Minister of this country is busy building his own palace at the taxpayers' expense. 20,000, 30,000 crores, doesn't matter. He is busy building his own palace at the capital. But I dare say at the taxpayers' expense. The voters, the taxpayers of this country are dying at hospitals without oxygen or gasping for breath. Their carcasses are being thrown away in the rivers, stripped and ripped of their dignity to live and even to die peacefully. But no, we are not even bothered by that. কারণ আমাদের দেশের প্রধানমন্ত্রী ব্যস্ত আছেন মন কি বাত করতে। আরে মশাই, কে শুনতে চায় আপনার ভাটের মন কি বাত? কোনদিন আপনারা শুনেছেন যে একটা সুস্থ দেশে ভ্যাকসিন নিয়ে, জীবনদায়ী ভ্যাকসিনেশন, সেইটা নিয়ে একটা দেশের মধ্যে 3 রকমের দাম হবে? সো দ্য গভর্নমেন্ট ইটসেলফ ইজ প্রমোটিং ব্ল্যাক মার্কেটিং, নাথিং এলস, নাথিং বেটার, নাথিং ওয়ার্স্ট। And what exactly are we doing at this point in time? As citizens of this country, we are asking questions without getting any answers whatsoever. And we are having positivity drive so that we have to stay positive. To hell with stay positive. একবার তাকিয়ে দেখুন আশপাশে স্যার, দেশে কি পরিস্থিতি বানিয়ে রেখেছেন। একটা সুস্থ দেশে রাজ্যগুলো ভ্যাকসিন কিনবে। In a sovereign, democratic, secular framework, the states are now opting for global tenders to buy vaccines. তো রাজ্যগুলোই যখন সব করবে তাহলে মশাই আপনি আছেন কি করতে? What do we need a central government for? Just to do man ki baat? I'll come to that later. What exactly are we discussing at this point in time? Our hospitals are absolutely having zero infrastructure. Let's face it. Oxygen cylinders, we don't have. Vaccines, we don't even know by when 30% of the population of this country would be vaccinated. Forget the entire population. And how dare you export our own vaccines without mitigating our internal requirement? Who gave you the right, sir? So accept it. You were busy building your own brand. You were busy building your own palace and you were busy portraying your own halo to the entire world. Baki desh ke log jaye bhar mein. That was your mentality. When there were repeated warnings from the reputed health officials, the health professionals, medics, doctors from all around the world to please ramp up the health infrastructure. What did you do? Even in the first wave of COVID and the second wave, I'll come point by point. Cut to the first wave. There is blood in your hands, still reckoning with the first wave of COVID, sir. In a vast country like ours, ভারতবর্ষের মতো একটা বৃহৎ দেশে শুধু 4 ঘন্টার নোটিসে, in just 4 hours of notice, you announced in this farcical 8 p.m. call to the nation that we will have a nationwide lockdown, Sampurna lockdown, to quote you. And the result? Hundreds and thousands of migrant laborers, the poorest of the poor, দিন দরিদ্র, হত দরিদ্র মানুষ, শ্রমিক মানুষ, তারা মাইলের পর মাইল জুড়ে শুধু হাঁটছে তাদের গন্তব্যের উদ্দেশ্যে অনাহারে, এবং তারা মারা গেল, লাইনে কাটা পড়ে তারা মারা গেল। And what was your reaction to that? Again, that farcical 8 p.m. vile, nonsensical clapping, thali banging, flashlighting, and your MLAs and MPs cutting across states, telling us, citizens of this country, prescribing us to have gobar, gomutra and bhabiji papad as a cure to COVID-19. মস্করা করছেন দেশবাসীর সাথে। Cut to the second wave of COVID. Nothing better. You got 1.5 years to ramp up the health infrastructure. Repeated requests from the opposition parliamentarians, all the opposition states, everyone, medical professionals, health infrastructure professionals, everyone, well-wishers across the globe requested to ramp up the health infrastructure. But no, you turned a blind eye, you turned a deaf ear to that. What did you do efficiently? You organized Kumbh Mela at state patronage. The results are in front of us. You pressurized the Election Commission to have an unprecedented 8 phases election in West Bengal, which has resulted in 1800% increase in a case count while as we are talking. This is evident, this is artifact, black and white facts which we have at this point in time. You organize rallies, you ensure that your entire election mechanism is in full force, in full display. It's a different story altogether. Despite of all your nonsense and vile, valiant outreach to the electorate of Bengal, you received an unprecedented, massive drubbing by the electorate of Bengal. এই শিক্ষাটা আপনার প্রাপ্য ছিল, which you got. Your own health minister in February and March said in front of the entire world that we are on the verge of winning our war against COVID. Mr. Harshvardhan, you said India was turning out to be a Vishwa Guru in terms of vaccination drive, and India saved the almost half the entire world via its own vaccination drive. I mean, laughable should be an understatement. For heaven's sake, sir, you have not been made the Prime Minister of this great country to talk nonsense. You have been given the Prime Minister of this country, this epithet, to just act and listen to the people. Manusher hahakar, chitkar, kanna, shunun. Nobody is interested to listen to your Man Ki Baat. It's high time that you listen to public's Man Ki Baat. It's high time you listen to the entire population of this country, sir, and not speak. Listen to people. আপনাকে রাম মন্দির উদ্বোধন করার জন্য আর কুম্ভ মেলা উদ্বোধন করার জন্য আর জনস্রোত, জনপ্লাবন, জনসেলাব দেখে কেঁদে দেওয়ার জন্য কি আপনার প্রধানমন্ত্রী বানায়নি? ওটা পাড়ার কাউন্সিলররা করতে পারে, তাহলে আপনার কি দরকার? And what is the need of this 8 PM call to nation that you give to the entire nation where you haven't said anything different than what you were saying 1.5 to 2 years ago? Absolutely nothing. So please stop this, sir. Right at this point in time while I am talking, what exactly is happening around? Look at your own party's governed states. Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh. Bodies are being dumped in the river Ganges. They are thrown. COVID or no COVID, that's a different thing. একটা মানুষকে বেঁচে থাকার সময় তো কুকুর ছাগলের মতো মেরে ফেলা হচ্ছে তাদেরকে। মৃতদের অন্ত্যেষ্টিক্রিয়া করতে দেবেন না। They will be stripped of the basic dignity to even cremated and buried. Rest in peace is just a joke. Yes, I demand answer from you, sir, because you are the most important political person in this country as of now. The buck entirely stops at your desk. I demand answer as a voter of this country. I demand answer as a citizen of this country, and I demand answer as a taxpayer of this country, sir. ফাজলামি অনেক করেছেন, এবার একটু কাজ করে দেখান। Stop putting the entire blame game on the states, whereas this entire crisis is definitely being responsible. The buck stops at your desk, sir. With immediate effect, I demand from you, please start universal vaccination drive. Cite COVID as a health emergency. ভ্যাকসিন নিয়ে দালালি করবেন না। There should not be 3 different prices in one country. If we have one country, one tax, if we have one country, one rule as per you, then we should definitely have one country, one vaccination price. আর যদি আপনি এটা না পারেন তো প্লিজ ছেড়ে চলে যান। We definitely never had any sage or saintly prime ministers of this country, but none as mediocre, as nonsense, and as irrelevant as you, sir. I'm not talking your name for the fear of it. I'm not taking your name because I am simply frustrated, I'm agonized, and I don't want to take your name, sir. Because I don't consider you as my prime minister, sir, because you have failed to live up to that. হ্যাঁ, আমি রেগে গেছি, আমি প্রশ্নের উত্তর চাই। You were definitely been requested time and again to ramp up the vaccine production from January. Why did you wait till April? What was the reason? Wait করছিলেন কি হ্যাঁ বাংলা দখল করা যাতে ব্লুপ্রিন্ট করছিলেন? Why on earth did you export oxygen cylinders to other countries? Why on earth did you export vaccines to other countries without taking into consideration our internal demand for our own citizens? Why do you do that, sir? কে আপনাকে বুদ্ধি দিয়েছে? Yes, I demand answers. Because this is negligence at the highest order. This is criminal negligence, I would say. প্রতিটা দিন এদেশের মানুষ শয়ে শয়ে বিনা অক্সিজেনে মারা যাচ্ছেন। বেঙ্গল, মহারাষ্ট্র, তামিলনাড়ু, আন্ধ্রা, তেলেঙ্গানা, you name any states, everybody is screaming at the top of their voice, please provide us vaccines because we are running short of them. আর আপনি কি বলছেন? রাজ্যগুলো কিনে নিক, রাজ্যগুলো গ্লোবাল টেন্ডার করে নিক। আপনি ছড়াবেন আর রাজ্যগুলো এসে পরিষ্কার করবে। Is that how it should be? If this is the case, then why don't we need you, sir? Why do we need Mr. Narendra Modi? We can have Kangana Ranawat to speak her nonsense. You can appoint Kangana Ranawat as your spokesperson. I demand answers, sir. And it's a question to the citizens of this country. Do you think callousness, negligence, insensitivity of such highest order should be pardoned, should be apologized? I don't think so. এরকম অপগণ্ড অপদার্থ একজন প্রশাসক দেশের প্রধানমন্ত্রীকে কি ক্ষমা করে দেয়া যায়? যায় না, সেটা আমি মনে করি। What do you think? Let me know your opinion. At the end of it, just one request. It's a fact the government is invalid, irrelevant, invisible. So we are definitely left to fend for ourselves. যা করার আমাদেরকেই করতে হবে। We have got an app which doesn't work most of the time. We don't have got vaccines. You, sir, in unprecedented callousness, announced that 18 to 44 will start vaccinating. Again, the onus was on the states, whereas we have not even vaccinated half the 45 to 60-year-old population. No, we haven't. And forget 18 to 44-year-old. So stop this headline management. Please start acting. Enough of this full of sound and fury signifying nothing. একটা অনুরোধ করব, এই ভিডিওটি যারা যারা দেখছেন, প্লিজ wear your mask, stay indoors as much as you can, vaccinate yourself. Despite of all this tomfoolery, please vaccinate yourself and help those who need them the most. যেভাবে পারেন যত রকম ভাবে পারেন মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়ান, নিডি মানুষদের পাশে এসে দাঁড়ান। And once again, thank you so much for watching this video. I am not at all apologetic if I have hurt anyone by making this video, because I am indeed angry, I am frustrated, I am annoyed. I demand answers. What about you? Thank you for watching my video today. Thank you so much for tuning to my channel, Truly Shoham. For news and update notifications regarding my content, please click the bell icon and subscribe, like and share to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.